Hey, everyone! Have you ever found yourself scrolling through pictures of stunning Canadian landscapes and thinking, I wish I could live there? Well, what if I told you that your dream might be closer than you think? The process of moving to Canada has become more streamlined, and I'm here to walk you through it in just a few simple steps. First, you need to figure out which path is right for you. Are you looking to study at a world-class university, gain valuable work experience, or just explore the country as a visitor? Once you've chosen your visa type, it's time for step 2. Head over to the official Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, or IRCC, website to start your online application. Next, you'll gather and submit all your necessary documents and biometrics. And finally, the last step is to wait for that exciting approval notice. Before you know it, you could be packing your bags and getting ready to fly. Your Canadian adventure is waiting. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips.